Hey guys, it's Cookie Swag HD here, and today we are playing Spleef on the LBSG server, and the link will be in the description if you want to join the server for yourself. And the game has started. Wait, what does this block do? Yay, I'm faster. Wow, lol, just killed all of them. Okay, let's join another one. Okay, we joined. 6, 5, 4, 3. Was I killed by explosion? Wow. Okay. Now we're gonna play another one. And guys, more videos will be coming, because I've got now for my computer I got a better recorder than Bandicam when I did the mad paintball, but I deleted it. And then I'll be doing more mad paintball, more Roblox mini games. Yay, jumping higher. Yeah, kill someone with explode. I hate nausea. What? I wasn't even flying. A glitch. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope you enjoyed, and more videos will be coming. And make sure you subscribe to Kiki Plays, because he's been amazing by making me that intro and helping me out with my recordings. So, bye YouTube.